So what you're going to see is a trend now of governors, red and blue across the country, starting to lift restrictions.
And now Maryland is one of them. Governor Larry Hogan announced Tuesday that on Friday, many COVID restrictions will be lifted by the state, including capacity limits on restaurants and retail stores and out-of-state travel restrictions. The mask mandate remains in full effect.
I think that there may be people that differ from me, but I think in general, when you're tying things to metrics and when you're keeping mask mandates in place, I do think this can be done in a safe manner.
Dr. Ramesh Adalja, senior scholar with the Johns Hopkins Center for Health Security, says the state's metrics are going in the right direction as far as the positivity rate, the level of hospitalizations, and the vaccine rollout.
What I worry about is when people start to think about removing mask mandates or telling people that they can take their masks off, because I do think we need to wait a little bit longer until there's more of the population vaccinated before we can think about that and do it in a safe manner.
He says the way Maryland is targeting the high-risk populations with the vaccine is already helping to turn the tide in the right direction. Maryland is still adding hundreds of cases per day, but he says that's not the important factor to look at moving forward.
Eventually, we're going to have to separate cases from hospitalizations and death, because that's what the vaccine is designed to do. The vaccine is designed to prevent serious illness, hospitalization, and death. We're not going to get to COVID zero. We're not going to eliminate or eradicate this virus. What we're doing is taming it with the vaccine.
Dr. Adalja says it will probably be summer before jurisdictions can start to safely lift those mask mandates. Reporting live downtown, Kim Dacey, WBAL TV 11 News.